Hello, and welcome to the Endless Tour. I am Manos, your narrator and your host from the city of Athens. The episodes of TET are giving me the chance to share my travel experiences with you through my eyes and my camera. Every place has a story to tell, a way to convey beauty and create endless emotions. Are you ready to step into my world? Hop on the Endless Tour with your like, comment, share, and subscribe. This episode of the Endless Tour is taking you to Cape Sounio and the Temple of Poseidon, the mythical god of the sea, located 70 kilometers away from Athens. Its archaeological site, as well as the neighboring mines of ancient Lavrion, are in the tentative list of UNESCO World Heritage Sites since 2014. Sounio was an important strategic point for the ancient city-state of Athens, as it controlled the sea passage to the Aegean and Piraeus and served as a bank for the profits from the mines of Lavrion. And here we are, at Sounio, where the horizon meets the Aegean Sea. Perched on its rocky and steep cliffs stands the imposing Doric Temple of Poseidon. The temple was ordered to be built in 448 before the Common Era by Pericles, and is made of local marble from Agrilleza, while its sculptural decoration, depicting the achievements of Theseus, were made of white Parian marble. The temple's architect is unknown, but must be the one who built the Temple of Hephaestus in the ancient Agora of Athens, as the two temples were almost identical to each other. Cape Sounio was and is a major point for Athens. In the past, it was one of the reasons that ancient Athens became a superpower in the 5th century before the Common Era. Visiting the site today, we can admire the monuments of the past and the natural beauty of the greatest sunset in Attica. Go closer to admire the temple's size. Its columns stand 6 meters from the ground, and their base is 1 meter in diameter. In order to build the temple, the ancient Greeks had to level the rock in an area of 7 acres. Take a good look at the area around you and reflect it in the 5th century before the Common Era. I'm sure you'll be left speechless. Below the Temple of Poseidon are the remains of the ancient municipality of Sounio with its central road. It is estimated that 4,000 people called it home, mostly military personnel and prominent Athenians, and was a major slave market. Next to the settlement and buried in the rocks is the ancient port. Today, we can see the walls of the shipyard that was built to park and maintain warships. Wander around. Immerse yourself in its ancient magic, and let the ghosts of time narrate the myths and history of the site from antiquity to the present day. The Aegean Sea is named by Aegeus, who is the father of King Theseus, the founder of Athens. When Theseus sailed to Crete to fight the Minotaur, Aegeus had told him to put up white sails while returning to Athens in case he was successful in killing the mythical beast. Theseus forgot these instructions, and Aegeus fell from the rocks of Cape Sounio and drowned himself in the sea. Entrance to the archaeological site costs €10 and is definitely worth your visit. Find more information about Sounio and the available options of transportation at the link on the description of this episode. Keep traveling with me and the Endless Tour. Like and comment on this video, share Sounio with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. You can watch more episodes like this one here.